Yo, what's up, guys? It's your guy, Fellow F. I'm back again with another banger. All right, guys, I have a video here for you. On this video, guys, I'm giving you my exact strategy, how I trade Bitcoin. Okay, this is not my Forex strategy, this is not my future strategy. It's simply how I trade Bitcoin, not other cryptocurrencies, just Bitcoin. So, guys, if you're new to the channel, do not forget to click the subscribe button. Okay, hit on it. Do not forget to click the notification bell so that you will receive notifications for every new video that is shared on the channel. And also don't forget to like and share this video, guys. Stay tuned and study, guys. Do not forget to take down notes, mark the strategy, and it will help you. It will go a long way to help you. In case you don't know, we have our academy running, so the links to our free telegram is below. You get signals from us back to back. All right, let me not take much of your time. Watch the video. Thank you. So I'm breaking down my strategy for you to know how I trade Bitcoin. You know, I've been dropping some gems back to back, and I decided to take out time and show you my simple Bitcoin trading strategy. I will actually post this on my Forex channel and also on my crypto channel. So feel free to subscribe to the channel if you are new here. All right, we drop important information like this. All right, so this is the weekly time frame on TradingView, and looking at price, we've had a serious bullish movement for a very long time now, and we're hoping to get a serious retracement to the downside, which we did, but it came in the form of a flag. That's a bull flag pattern. But I had to draw out my support zone around $50,000, between $49,000 and $50,000, and the support was highly respected. You see, price came all the way down and tapped into my support zone. Okay, this is simple support and resistance. I forgot about other blocks, fair value gaps. No, I concentrated on simple price action. Okay, and that's how I trade my Bitcoin. I don't make it complicated. I don't bring in fancy stuffs. Like, I make it as simple as that. All right, now as price came down into this support zone, I could not just buy off this support zone. I have been looking at it, and I know perfectly well that we are in a bull market and price is not supposed to continue dropping. So I had to go down on the lower time frame. Okay, I drew out my flag first, draw out this zone. Okay, and I knew that definitely price will skyrocket. Okay, price tapped into this zone, came all the way up around here, came down, created a low that is higher than this low. So if we go down to the daily, you understand what I'm talking about. Okay, we're on the weekly time frame. Good. You see, this is the zone I drew out, the serious support zone. Okay, now price came, tapped into this zone, went all the way up, came down, created a higher low, went up, created a higher high. But looking at price could not continue rising. It rather crashed all the way down, took out the liquidity under the zone, and created a real higher high. Okay, now if you go back to the weekly, you realize that price gave us a serious bullish engulfing around that zone. Perfect. Price gave us this bullish engulfing. Normally I did not take note. Okay, I did not take note of this, so I could not buy from this zone because this is where I had to buy, knowing fully well that price has given me a confirmation. Because if you get an engulfing candle on the weekly around a key level, guys, that is a major confirmation. So I messed up and I missed this trade, but I know very well that price will always give you an opportunity to re-enter. Okay, so on the daily, I had to be patient and keep watching. All right, now I had to draw another zone. Let me show you the zone. Okay, it's simple. I had to draw another zone, just that I took off the zone a couple of days back. So looking at this zone, you realize this is a key level. Okay, it's a key level, it's a support zone, so it's a point of interest. I knew that price had tapped into this zone, gave me some rejections, but there is some liquidity left below, and I knew that price would definitely come back to wipe it off. And as price tapped into this zone, took out these lows, I smite because I expected it. This was a trap for people to sell, those who use fair value gaps. This was a trap for them. You know, I don't sell Bitcoin unless I understand that it's a bull market. And how do I, it's a bear market, and how do I know it's a bear market? When Bitcoin has touched its peak, it will have to break structure on a higher time frame, go back and retest to tell me the trend has changed. Okay, so at this point, when price took out these lows, I smite, and I knew that, all right, price is heading up. Let's go down to the 4 hours. Okay, let's get down to the 4 hours. Guys, this is simple. You just need to understand how it works, and we will flow. Okay, and we'll flow. All right, actually, you realize that around here there was nothing like a confirmation, but when you see a couple of blue candles or green candles in a row back to back around a key level, guys, that's telling you something. Okay, that's as well a confluence. So when I saw the first, second, third green candle, on the fourth one, when it took out the last bearish candle, this last white candle, okay, you realize that this, I entered at the top of it. So when price took out the last bearish candle, guys, I did not wait for the candle to close. I took my trade, and after that, you realize that the next candle was a powerful bullish momentum, and we went all the way up. And I even announced this trade live to you guys on here on YouTube. If you go back to watch my videos, you'll see I spoke about this trade. Okay, and I said, for those who are swing traders, you had to wait for a confirmation, a better confirmation, and we got the confirmation. What was that confirmation? I told you guys you had to wait for price to take out these highs, which it finally did, come back, retest for you to buy because it's going to be long. Okay, and it did exactly that. So price came all the way up, did not hit my take profit, so I closed somewhere around here. When I saw this wicks on 4 hours, I knew that price was going to retrace. I did not want to take my 1:4 or 5 trade and play with it, so I already took my profits around here. That was 1:4, and then price retraced all the way to this zone, and I announced this one on YouTube, on Facebook, on live session I had. That was 2 days back. Okay, I announced this trade, and this is the result. You see, price is still skyrocketing. So that is it, guys. That's how I trade Bitcoin. It's very simple. So okay, now the question is, how did I get this second entry? How did I know price was going to bounce off this zone? Right, so first I realized that this is a point of interest. You see, price reacted at the zone, reacted here, okay, 3 times. So when price reacts around a zone like that, you need to understand, I had to draw out this zone on the live session. This was done live. You can go on YouTube, on Facebook, you can type my name, I'm Cham Felix, right? So you search, I announced this trade. I said draw this line, this box, and then you can put a pending order. If price taps here, you trigger you in, because I announced this when price was still somewhere around here. So I marked out this zone and said if price taps here, price was even around here. I said if price taps here, then we should be buying, and it did exactly what we predicted. So that's it. We trade off of key levels, supports, because we don't trade resistance when it's in a bull market. Okay, so that's it, guys. This is the simple strategy I use to trade Bitcoin. In case you want to learn more and understand how I do, and maybe share my signals with me, guys, the links to my free Telegram is below. And in case you want to take it serious like a full-time job, you can as well enroll for a mentorship program, which is worth it's very affordable. Okay, we guide you on how to trade. You can trade forex, crypto, futures, whatever, with the strategies we'll give you. So there, in case you've been a trader and you're facing challenges, we will teach you how to build a solid strategy and be able to be consistently profitable. All right, guys, thank you very much for watching my videos. If this video has helped you in any way, do not forget to like, do not forget to subscribe, and also hit the notification bell so that you receive notifications for every new video that we share on this channel. Thank you very much. I'm your host, Cham Felix. You can call me Fellow F.